On this episode of Gas Diesel Garage, Jack explains the dangers of aftermarket parts, and then later teaches you how to correct the fitment of a wrong Toyota exhaust manifold. Well, here's the situation with aftermarket parts. Same manifold, different outlets. So we're just gonna have to take that off and graft it onto that. What joy and fun. Good old, well, it's just not the Toyota's fault. It's just aftermarket crap. First thing is, take that, cut that, take this, and graft it onto that. Easy peasy. Aftermarket stuff. Now the easiest way I think I need to graft that on there, because I don't want to mess this up. I mean, there's no reason to cut that off. So I think we're just going to flange this one out. Got to go grab my flange tool, and it should match right on up. Well, I've got my exhaust pipe spreader. Got that. What I need to do is spread this out. Just like that. Okay. Now we got it all spread on out. Should slab right off. There we go. Now we gotta do is just weld it up. Of course, line it up, of course, but just put a couple beads on there. Actually, go all the way around with it. But anyways, get it good. Now that we know that this thing sits on the pipe like it's supposed to, we gotta test fit this stuff. Because it'll be really bad if you weld this stuff up and it doesn't fit. So test fit. All right, you can turn it off. You can turn it off. Now that we got it all fitted up, we got to tack it up. I'm just gonna tack it because I want to pull this thing out and weld it on up on the bench. So and by the way, if you can help it, don't weld anything in the rain. It really sucks. Fits like a glove. That's it. Sometimes, guys, gotta modify stuff to make it work so you can save some money. I mean, I can't believe that that catalytic converter was that expensive and we still had to modify it. But that's just the chance you take when you have aftermarket parts, unfortunately. So, but if you enjoyed this episode of Gas Diesel Garage, please like, subscribe, and we'll just have to see you next time. Peace.